Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Layman's Algorithm. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you 5 newsletters every Android developer should subscribe to. So the first one is on my list is Android Dev Digest. So it's a weekly newsletter with everything interesting in the Android world community. Insightful dev articles on new techniques, best practices and tutorials as well as new libraries, job and the latest news you're gonna find in this newsletter. So the second one is Android Weekly. So Android Weekly curates the best articles, tutorials, jobs, libraries, videos, podcasts, basically everything related to Android development. You're gonna find it here. Now, third one on my list is Google Play Developer Newsletter. This monthly newsletter comes directly from Google and generally features tips to make your app successful on Google Play as well as new develop new Android developer related releases and announcements. Next one is Kotlin Weekly. Seems to be the future of Android development with first class support in Android Studio and easy option to convert your existing Java code to Kotlin. It's very clear that a large amount of Android development will be heading in that direction in the future. So then last one is Android Authority. And of course, as an Android developer, you need to keep up with all the Android related news and devices. So Android Authority offers a variety of newsletters you can subscribe to and get just what you are interested in. So I hope you liked this video. So if you like, then please share it with your friends, comment on the video and subscribe to my channel for the latest videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.